In previous video, we have seen the what is introduction of wheel, what is the main function of the wheel, what is the essential requirement of the wheels, and we have discussed the pressed steel disc wheel, which is light in weight, which is strong, stiff and resistance to accidental damage, and it is the most popular steel disc wheel. Okay, and the one more advantage is mass production is possible in with low cost is possible in this wheel. And we have seen the drawings, 3D picture of the pressed steel disc and how its appearance and the construction and working and assembly of each part of the pressed steel disc we have seen. After that, we have seen the second type of wheel is wire spoke wheel, which is the oldest design, but still it is popular in modern days also because it is lightweight and strong construction. It considers the complex loads coming on the wheel are considered, and the spokes in various directions are arranged so that they will able to withstand or take the different loads such as acceleration, braking and weight of the forces as well as side thrust. All these loads are properly taken in these wire spoke wheels. Now we will see the third type of wheel, that is cast light alloy steel. As its name indicate, it is cast means which is manufacturing by the casting operation, and the material which we are using for this manufacturing of this wheel is a light alloy, mostly aluminum and magnesium alloys. Okay, they have manufactured using casting operation, and in this rim is having wider area, and they are also having radial ribs, okay, which will also act as a angled spokes and which provide strength, and also there is proper air circulation due to this radial rib is possible. And in this, why this is manufactured using casting operations, they avoid sharp lines and angles, and this will improve the strength. Okay, and these cast light alloy wheels have certain definite advantages over other type of wheel, and that's why it is useful in racing cars. Okay, aluminum and magnesium alloys are used for this purpose. Just we will see the advantages of light cast alloy wheel. First, as its name indicate, it is light in weight. We already know the prime requirement while manufacturing or designing the wheel is it should be light in weight. Also, the heavier sections can be used, which improves the stiffness of the wheel, and it results in better stress distributions. Okay, and third advantage is rims with larger area can be used, which results in use of wider tires with less diameter. Okay, and this will give a definite advantage in racing cars. Okay, if you observe the racing cars, their width of the tire is more and with less diameter. Okay, and this For that purpose, these type of wheels are used in a racing car, where the lower center of gravity and wider tire results in better road grip, particularly during cornering. Okay. Just you understand these lines, which is color in red. Okay. In your oral examination, or to understand the subject knowledge, there may be a question why this cast light alloy wheel is used in racing car. At that time you should able to answer that the lower center of gravity and wider tire results in better road grip, particularly during cornering. That's why they are using in racing cars. And also lightweight. Light alloy are better conductors of heat, since heat dissipation from tires and brakes is improved, okay, due to the use of this lightweight magnesium and aluminum. Even though these alloy is having very good advantage, they are also having some disadvantage also, because the major disadvantage is corrosion, because these are the alloys, cast light alloys, and there is more chances of corrosion. First, see, these wheels are chemically sensitive to salt spray and need regular checking and inspection for corrosion. Also, there is a danger of electrolytic corrosion when the wheel comes in contact with light alloy, especially the rim is there and you are using a stud. Stud is having different materials, and when it comes with contact there, and there may be corrosion, electrolytic corrosion may possible. That's why every time you have to ensure that requires retaining studs to be greased, okay, so that there should not be corrosion. Okay, this is about the lightweight alloy wheel, and based on these 3 lectures, 3 videos, 15 minutes videos, it is expected that student has to answer the assignment questions, and here, and also there is one quiz based on these small 3 videos. In assignment question, explain the function of wheel and its requirement. Okay, this is the first question. Second is to describe the different types of automobile wheels. Already 3 types of automobile wheels we have described. In exam point of view, you should also practice of drawing the sketches of different wheels, and you have to explain the construction and working. Okay, and last question is about state advantages and disadvantages of cast light alloy steel. Okay, and it is expected that you write answer to these 3 questions based on this video. Okay, now in next video we are going, next lecture we are going to learn the introduction of the tire, what is the function of the tire, what is the requirement of the tire, and different materials for the tire and its construction. That 4 things we are going to learn in next